Good morning students, welcome back to today's classes. The last class we saw about the political map and states and union territories of our country. I hope you all understand the topic, and today class we are going to see about a new lesson, and the lesson name it's called the Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains. The Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains. And the first topic we are going to see the Northern Mountains. So today class I am going to explain about the first one, the Northern Mountains. The mountains are area of land that have high above surroundings areas. So the mountains are located in water place or land place. So the land places, the mountains are located in land places. So compared to other places, the mountains are high. The mountains are located in a high place because the mountain have a beak, isn't it? So the mountains have located in a high places and compared to other places, and mountain places the temperature falls with increase in height. The mountain places the temperatures falls with increase in height because sun rays it falls on their beak, isn't it? So at that time it's receive more temperature. The mountain places receive more temperature, and the mountain regions have cool climate. So the mountain regions we can feel and we can see the cool climate. So in which places, the mountain places we can feel the cool climate because the most of mountain peaks cover the peak அப்படினா என்னது அப்படினா அதோட உச்சி நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். The mountain peaks so many mountain peaks are covered with snow around the year. The mountain peaks fully covered with snow. Snow means நம்ம ice cube நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, பனின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அது the mountains are fully covered with snow through full அந்த year full-ஆமே எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படினா it is covered with snow. And one of the example on the Himalayas. Though one of the example, the mountain Himalayas, it's located the northern side of our country, and this is one of the example of the mountains, and so many mountains are located in the north side of our country and northeast places. So many mountains are located in the north and east side of our countries. So again I am repeating. So the mountains are occupied large amount places, and it is starting from one place and it is extend more places, and the mountain has a peak and sun rays also falls on the peak, so the mountain receives more temperature. At the same time the mountains fully covered, so many mountains are covered with snow, so that is the reason the mountain places we can feel the cool climate. So one of the example and one of a mountain it's located in our country. So do you know what is this mountain name? Yes, that is called the Himalayas, and so many mountains are located in our country. In which direction it is located? The southeast portion it is located in our country. Sorry, northeast direction it's located in our country. So dear students, you learn this mountain topics today. So next class we will see the another topic. Thank you.